Long ago, deep within a dense mountain forest, there lived a wise old monk and his young disciple who shared a life of peaceful solitude. The old monk was a master of meditation, capable of entering such deep states that he could catch fleeting glimpses of the future. One day, during his meditation, he received a heartbreaking vision. His beloved disciple would pass away in just 8 days. Saddened but resolute, the monk decided to grant his disciple a short leave to visit his family before fate called him. "Go home and see your family, but remember to return after 8 days, the master instructed. The disciple smiled brightly, his heart joyful, for he had long missed his home. Without noticing the sorrow in his master's eyes, he happily descended the mountain. On his way, the disciple stopped by a stream and noticed an ant colony on the riverbank in danger. Heavy rains had caused the water to rise, threatening to flood the ants' home. Without hesitation, he used his robe soaked with oil to build a protective wall around the colony and dug a small channel to divert the water, saving countless tiny lives. Confident the ants were safe, he continued his journey home, cherishing precious moments with his family. When the 8th day arrived, he remembered his promise and hurried back to the mountain. The old monk anxiously paced through the forest, fearing his disciple was gone forever. Suddenly he spotted a familiar figure approaching and ran to embrace him with overwhelming joy. "How are you still alive after 8 days? My visions have never been wrong," he exclaimed. The disciple recounted the story of saving the ants. The monk smiled knowingly. This simple act of kindness had transformed the disciple's fate, granting him a long and happy life. This story teaches us that in life, even the smallest good deeds create positive karma, bringing blessings, protecting us from suffering, and opening doors to fortune. A compassionate heart lights the path not only for others, but for ourselves, making life fuller, richer, and more peaceful.